When most people sit down to chant a mantra, their entire focus is dedicated to just counting the repetitions. But the ancient yogis and tantrics did not operate like this. They utilized a hidden energetic technology that used a single simple chant and literally multiplied its powers by millions. This is a deep science that physically converts your breath into an explosive spiritual force, completely burning away your deepest absolute subconscious karmic patterns. If you're exhausted from chanting with zero results, today I am going to teach you an extremely advanced breathing and chanting technology, and according to the ancient scripture, this exact method makes your standard mantra exactly 1.259 million times more powerful. Welcome back to Dissecting Consciousness. In this channel, we talk all about Sanatan Dharma, manifestation, spirituality, and astrology. Today, I will give you the exact step-by-step method, the mathematical ratios, and the absolute safety rules for this technique. You must watch this video till the end. To understand why this works, we have to look at the energetic anatomy of your body. When you perform a standard breathing and normal chanting, you are only interacting with your Annamaya Kosha, which is your physical body, and your Pranamaya Kosha, your basic energy layer. But when you forcefully bind your breath, the sonic frequency of the mantra, and a clear visualization into the specific lock, the energy penetrates much deeper. It completely bypasses the physical and directly strikes your Manomaya, the mental, Vigyanmaya, the intellectual, and the Anandmaya, the causal koshas. Koshas means bodies. According to Kurma Puran, Uttar Bhag, chapter 11, verse 12, performing this specific breath-bound meditations makes your chant precisely 1.259 million times more potent than a normal spoken chant. In the supreme Vedic and Tantric technologies, this method is called Sagarbha Pranayam or Sagarbha Jap. It is heavily documented in the Gheranda Samhita, the Markandeya Puran, and the Vayu Puran. In Sanskrit, Garbha means womb or fetus. Sagarbha literally translates to taking a breath that has the seed of the mantra and the visualization hidden deep inside of it. In Sagarbha Jap, you do not count numbers. The entire mathematical ratio is governed strictly by the mantra itself. It operates on a 1:4:2 ratio. Inhale, hold, exhale. The scriptures divide this into 3 levels of mastery. Adam, the beginner level. You inhale the breath while mentally chanting the mantra exactly 1 time. You hold the breath inside, which is called Kumbhak, while chanting the mantra exactly 4 times. You slowly exhale the breath while chanting the mantra exactly 2 times. Then comes Madhyam, the intermediate level. Chant a mantra 2 times while inhaling, holding and chanting it 8 times, and exhaling and chanting it 4 times. Then comes Uttam, or the advanced level. You inhale while chanting 4 times, hold while chanting 16 times, and exhale while chanting 8 times. Here's the exact physics of what happens inside your body during this process. When you hold the breath inside in the state of Kumbhak and continuously chant the frequency under that increased air pressure, it creates a literal hydraulic sonic press inside your nervous system. This immense energetic pressure forcefully blows open your granthis, the deep, stubborn, energetic blocks inside your body. The standard oxygen you inhaled is instantly mutated into pure spiritual vitality, known as ojas. Because this technique generates a massive amount of internal heat and force, there are highly strict rules you must absolutely follow. If you violate these rules, you will create a severe imbalance in your nervous system. The first one is breath control. You must already have a foundational mastery of pranayama. As I said that you have to hold your breath inside for so long, you must have a mastery over breath, as you have to hold the breath in your abdomen, not in your lungs. The second prerequisite is, as I have explained in the previous videos, for any mantra to truly penetrate, your mind must be completely thoughtless. If you mix standard thoughts into this high pressure breath lock, you will dilute the frequency and harm your energetic field. If you're a beginner, you must never perform 2 consecutive rounds of Sagarbha Jap. You do it once, take a 5 minutes of break of normal breathing, and then attempt it again. Even if you're an advanced practitioner who can hold meditation for hours, the absolute maximum limit for this technique is 108 repetitions. Do not exceed this. You must execute this slowly, smoothly, and with absolute precision. Now follow the exact method as I'm telling you. Firstly, close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale deeply and slowly through the left nostril. While you're inhaling, mentally chant the mantra exactly 1 time. Pinch both nostrils close and hold your breath inside. This is the state of Kumbhak. While holding the breath, mentally chant the mantra exactly 4 times. Then close your left nostril, release the right one and exhale slowly while chanting the mantra exactly 2 times. This is the exact method that you have to use for beginners, and you increase the chant of mantras. The 1:4 ratio should be increased as you move on with the practice. Do not rush this. This is an explosive science. Start at the beginner level, master the breath control and allow the massive pressure of the mantra to naturally burn away your karmic blockages. Make sure to try this technique with complete discipline and feel the extreme shift in your physical and energetic body. Come back and share your precise results in the comments below. I hope you found the video useful. I'll see you on to the next one. Till then, keep shining, have a great day and take care of yourself. Om Shri Matre Namaha.